Alright, good morning. Of course we have our Dunkin' Donuts. We're just waiting on Bubba right now, and we are going to the Franklin Park Zoo. Today is Cinco de Mayo. Today is the Kentucky Derby. Today is game 3 of the Celtics-Sixers series. So it's going to be a very busy day, and we're going to have a good time today. Alright, we made it to the zoo.
I'm in love with you. Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you are meant for me. I'm in love with you. Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you are meant for me. I'm in love with you. Baby, one for me. Baby, for me. I'm in love with you. Baby, one for me.
Pretty sure we just ruined their proposal. Sorry.
6-7-11 and he's paying the bill. 6-7-11. 6-7-11.
Mike didn't win, but we're still going to try to talk him into paying for the whole bill.
Good D, good D!
Oh shit, Philly, now what? So we just got through doing the aquarium. It was actually really, really great to hang out with family and see friends and family I haven't seen in a long time. Fantastic, fantastic. So Nicole had to go back early because her sister's having a baby, but I don't have to go back early. We are upon day number 6 in Boston. Second zoo trip. This time, Stoneham Zoo. You wanna go back? It's called a lynx. Did you just fart on my arm? That's not a chicken. It's a bald eagle.
I bought you. I bought you. I bought you.
He knows what you're talking about. Upside down? You want to go upside down?
So it doesn't sound as majestic as you would think.
I'm pretty sure that's his way of saying he wants to be on the vlog. So I have a little bit of a tradition that I do when I come back home, and it is walk over to here to Deer Island, which has a fantastic view of Boston, by the way. They have a little track that goes around, so now I like to come down here and do a run. I think it's about 4 miles or so. So before I actually went out to California, I used to come down here and do this all the time. It's a great run, and it's not even just the run. You actually have a fantastic view, which you'll see in a second. Okay, this is where the run starts. Right here we got the famous Water Tower Hill in Winthrop. This is where my run starts, so let's do it. This is where all of Boston's fish and shit gets taken care of. It gets cleaned here and then gets shipped way out there. I actually wasn't even aware that this was considered a national park area. Chalk it up, another national park for this guy. All right, so finished my workout. I'm at the train station now. I'm about to meet a friend from college, old friend, Johnny Eye Candy Graziano. I'm gonna try to grab a couple beers, watch the Celtics game, game 4, chance to go to the Eastern Conference Finals. Probably go somewhere down in Faneuil Hall. You got the People's Champ. You got Eye Candy right here.
Johnny Eye Candy.
Johnny Eye Candy Graziano. You can find him where?
At hold on a second. Oh no, you took all my stickers.
Hold on.
Here we go. At grazmakes.com/Graz. I don't know.
All 3 of my subscribers, you better go there. So I just got to catch up with an old friend from college. Fantastic seeing him. Where did we go to school? We went to school in 98, 99, 2000, right around there at MassCom. Like I said before, we used to have a TV show on Boston's local access called The Spanish Announce Table. And for the most part, there were three main guys. It was me. I used to play The Rock on the show. Him, Johnny Eye Candy Graziano, and David Goot. And we had our own TV show on Boston's local access. I just wish we had done this a couple years later when there was YouTube and stuff. We might be looking at very different lives right now. Nice. All right, well that concludes the night. Gonna jump on the train, head back to Winthrop. See you in the morning.